All right. So we can do this instead. You can use the tick. Now, tick is this right here. So it's the I don't know if you ever used that symbol before, but that's a string tick. So
I don't know where that's at.
it is next to the tilde,
I don't even know what a tilde is.
the little squiggly, eyebrow
Oh,
squiggly.
I've never used that yet. I haven't been that far on the keyboard for learning yet.
That's
I'm still
funny.
learning to type.
No, that's funny. That's funny. So you can do the tick. You can do a $sign and the squiggly brackets. Now you see how it turned red? Because my compiler knows, it knows that we're doing JavaScript. So we can do greeting and then do another one, name. So string interpolation is when you take a variable and you convert it to a string. And so that's much cleaner to look at than like greeting plus space plus, name. Yeah, and you automatically can tell what that says. You don't have to really do any guessing.
Greeting name.
Greeting name. Now we can change greeting to be
GTRs are the best.
GTR are the best. Let's save it.
Hello world. GTRs are the best, Mark. GTRs are the best friend. I like this. This is cool.
So, all right. So, are you following so far?
So. Believe it or not, it's still a lot of information you're taking.
Yeah. So, yeah. I'm trying to break it down.
You remember a lot of it?
No, because I'm losing.
Stopping that. It's like, because I'm trying to break it down as atomic as possible through, versus just giving you straight definitions and stuff.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. So
where are you losing yourself at?
you first, and I'll go.
It.
If it's all, say all.
Just about all of them.
All right.
All right.
So, programming is essentially you're making a list of instructions for the machine to follow. All right.
Pretty much enter the information, the machine does it.
Yes. So this application is just a say hello application. So we're calling a function that we define, and you define the function up here.
That's your function.
Yeah, function, like all functions have to start with this keyword function. All right. So if you're looking at someone else's code and you see the word function, you know that that's somebody defining a new function. And once you define the function, you can call it how many times you want. You only got to define it one time.
Okay, I think I'm getting the realization on that part now. So,
Because you're giving the computer instructions. You're telling the computer what is say hello.
let's
This
say
is what it
this
is.
was, I guess, different now. Let's say that said, say tacos suck, or they really don't. Tacos are great, but everybody knows tacos are great. Taco Tuesday, but I guess my brain had it. I'm looking at this code for the first time, and I'm like, all right. So, function means it's trying to tell me, trying to get to say, like I'm trying to say, it says hello here. That's the function, right?
Right.
So the function is like where it'll pull up, it'll be able to say this wherever in the text.
So every time that the computer finds a say hello, it's gonna be like, well, what is say hello? Well, let's find the function definition. All right, here it is. We know this is the function definition because we have the keyword there, function.
Yeah.
And it always goes keyword, name of the function, parameter list. And parameters are, the variables that you have to put in order to call that function. It takes in a name, and then you see here we put 3 different names. We say, GTRs are the best, and then we do that string interpolation. So we set the greeting. We called it greeting. That let keyword is a key.
Let.
Yeah.
Let, right.
Anything that's purple, those are keywords.
Okay.
And those are words that are reserved for JavaScript. Like, JavaScript knows what those words are.
Okay, so like I guess another language would have
var.
That means variable.
Yeah, like you can use var, you can use let, you can use const. There's multiple options, and you want to use them for different purposes. But generally, let is the one you want to use.
Okay. Like greeting equal
GTs are
the best. So the function is that we say hello.
And then the greeting variable, we're initializing. That equal sign means that you're initializing it. You're giving it a default value.
A default value. So this is what it'll always come back to say.
Yes. Greetings are the best. Now we could also just do this. And get rid. So now, say hello has to have two parameters: a greeting and a name. So we're gonna do like
Holy crap, he's right. Love it.
and now if we run it. So the more you can make it as concrete or as abstract as you want. Now by doing it the way that I just did it, there's nothing concrete. We're making it completely open to, however you want to do it. So let's take it one step further. I'm going to make a new folder. I'm going to move this into this folder right here. Now JavaScript has this thing called NPM, Node Package Manager. So the cool thing about open source code is people have put their code up online for other developers to use their code, right? So I don't have to rewrite the functionality. I can just see there's a package that's already exists for that.
Oh, okay.
So
instead of me going through coding all this, I'm like, somebody already has this.
Exactly. So what we're going to do, I'm going to cd.
Can those codes have like viruses stuck in them as well?
Yeah, they can, but it's the open source community, like people run audits and stuff all the time. Like if it's something that has got tens of thousands of downloads, it's been audited. If it's got something's got
like 20,
yeah, I wouldn't. So there's this package called prompt, and it's like we want to get npm prompt because we want to be able to get we want the user to be able to type in and give us feedback. So instead of just hard coding the name and the greeting, we're going to ask the user to type in the name and the greeting. So we're going to run npm iPrompt. And that stands short for Node Package Manager install prompt.
Okay. Node Package Manager install prompt.
Yay.
Added 14 packages and added 15 packages. Whoa.
In 2 seconds. There you go. So prompts the user for input, blah, blah, blah. So cool. All right. So we're going to, at the top right here, var prompt. I don't like var. I like using let. So we're gonna do let prompt equals, no, fuck that. We're gonna do const prompt equals prompt, var prompt. So const means once we set this variable, we cannot change it. We're making it immutable. And then we want it, so
that's why they always say
So then we're going to
That's why
require.
it says it was blocked. See, now you're teaching me something I didn't know. Whenever it says it's immutable
Yes.
on the blockchain, I'm
Yeah.
like, what does that mean?
Immutable means you cannot change it. Once it's stamped, it's there. So we want that to require the prompt package that we just brought in.
Const means it's immutable.
Prompt dot. We're going to do prompt dot start, and that's going to start the prompt. Get 2 properties from the user.
Wings are done.
All right, 5 seconds.
All right.
All right.
Run kit, prompt, username, email, result.
All right. So we're starting the prompt. Boom. So we don't want to get username and email. We want to get. What are the 2 things we're getting? What are the 2 things that we want to get from the user?
Oh, the 2 things we want to get.
I don't remember.
Greeting and name.
Right.
Okay. So this is what I want to get. Greeting and name. Okay.
So that prompt package has these functions already built called start and get. So start starts the prompt, and that way you can start listening for input, and then it's asking for the greeting and the name from the user. Once they type in, like what is the greeting, type in your greeting, what is the name, type in the name, it will save the results in this result package. So now I can just say hello, result.greeting, result.name. So now we've made it completely abstract. There's no consecration. And what I mean by consecration is like we were putting hello world, we were putting Mark, we were putting John. Now it's completely driven by the user.
Oh, so now we're not the ones typing it out. The user's typing like, all right, it's kind of like when I go to type in something for an application, like fill this out.
Prompt, greeting. Fuck off. All right, so, but now you notice, it only does it one time, and then it exits. So, this will be the last thing, and then I will, we can go get the wings. So, we want this just to run forever until the user quits.
Okay.
So, we're going to just do what's called a while loop.
Oh.
And a while loop runs while a certain condition is true. So like while the time does not equal 6 p.m. And so as long as it's not 6 p.m., it's gonna run, right?
Gotcha.
While you go on Pornhub, are you over 18? It'll sit there and while user is over 18, then let them be on the site. Blah, blah. So here we want to run what's called an infinite loop. We just want it to run until the user quits it. So I'm just going to put while true. So while true is always true. True is equal to true. 1 is equal to 1. 2 is equal to 2. You know what I mean? While true, then you get the squiggly brackets, and you're going to just run the code that's inside the squiggly brackets over and over while true, which means forever. So now, we want the prompt to start out here. Okay. But while true, get. So now we run it. Terminate. All right. All right, created a bug. Well,
Oh, we created one?
yeah, I just created one. I think I need to do it like, I do need to do it like this.
Holy.
Huh.
How are you going back between all this stuff so quick and
Oh, keyboard shortcuts.
Hmm?
Keyboard shortcuts. There's shortcuts built in. To
I have a bunch of shortcuts on my keyboard. I just don't. I'm just not learning how to use the keyboard, so.
It's all good.
You're on Mac, right?
Yeah.
Is there any difference between this and my Windows computer?
Not for what we're gonna be doing.
Cool.
But if you want to do iPhone development, you're gonna have to get a Mac. You can't do iPhone development on anything but a Mac.
Okay. Say less. Looks like I need to get a Mac too.
All right, yeah. I don't know what happened with that bug, but okay. All right. Cool. So last thing I'll do is I'm just gonna move all of this into here. Then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it in here. And now I have I've removed it and made it a function with 0 parameters again. But I just moved the prompt stuff into say hello to make it a more elegant and cleaner solution.
Okay. And clean. I feel like that'll help out when it comes to jobs, right? Too. Also, is it like people say that, hey, your stuff's really clean.
Really clean, yes.
People like clean.
People love clean. I'll move this. So now it's back to
So I wonder.
now the entire application is 8 lines. And if you really want to be fancy, you don't need JavaScript. The semicolon is optional. The semicolon tells the program that you're done with that line. That is a terminator. But it's
That's
optional.
why it was added on. Okay.
So now I'm gonna try this one more time. Well, true. Can I make this async? These dogs.
I don't know.
Yeah, now we on. All right, cool. Save, get, ignore.
I don't think so. Almost got me in the mouth.
Oh, he will. He'll get straight in there, up your nostril, everything. He just wants to sit down with you.
JavaScript, no modules.
Come up, King.
Update.getIgnore.
I like the voice.
JavaScript.
No? Okay.
Alright. Hello world toots. Commit main push. Alright, cool. Look at some wings.
Let's go get
Well, we'll build on this. And do you understand what's going on?
somewhat.
Okay.
I feel like we'll go back over when we come back over, and I'll see if I can remember what I did. So are these all tabs?
Huh?
All the way back.
No, I'm doing screen mirroring.
Oh.
And I was looking at the screen that was doing the screen mirroring, so it makes it infinity mirror.
Boys, you ready?
Just leaving.
We'll be back.
The puppies are adorable.
Here, hold it.
This is not that hard to hold. And then wow, they're kind of heavy. I can hold this one.
He's a light one, huh?
Yeah, and also this one really listens to me. He follows me. Yeah, he's a sweetheart. Oh, sweetheart. But he can be a little too loud on me sometimes. Hey, Mimi. Hello. What's up? The doggies are really cute and adorable. One really likes people. What if you don't like it?
Yeah, he's pretty friendly.
Yeah, cute.
On my way over.
Uh,
Hey, buddy.
you want to feel
Right.
soft? Hey, baby.
That's so cool, isn't it?
You're a sweetheart. Oh, you're a sweetheart. Yes, you're a sweetheart.
What year was that battle?
The doggies are cute and funny.
Do you remember, Mark?
No.
Don't forget, those dogs always try to get me. You know, one time, whenever I was on the couch, those dogs would try to attack me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You ain't sleep. You ain't sleep. You ain't sleep.
You are cute.
I'm gonna bring Sammy though. Actually, do you wanna hold on it? Actually, I'm gonna bring Sammy.
It's cute.
Pick up little Louie. He's only 40 pounds. This dude's like 19. Big D.
Salu,
He's two. Eat
I
good.
got Salu. I got them.
Got him?
Go.
I'll give you the. Hey, dog. Hey, baby. Let her rip, let her rip, let her skip, let her rip, rip, rip and rock, like the sky. I will love her like a play, like a living, very real. You wanna go down to the skin, like a little ring right here. And got it? Stop now. Wait, click, little. Wait, click. Y'all ain't slick. Y'all ain't slick. Little booty, curly booty. Let me see yours. But bro, they cut off from. Bro, you're kidding. You just got a little bump. See a little bump? See a little bump? See that little bump? See that little bump? See that little drum? Little drum. Who's your good boy? Who's your... And he's little princess. Look, he's no little prince. No little prince. No little prince. Such a really cute boy. Hey baby, you're sick. I like click. Uh-oh. Come protect your big sister. Protect your big brother. And come, I love your long tail too. Don't let that dog bite your tail off. Don't let that dog do. You are strong, baby. I love you. Woo. Nope, you ain't slick. You ain't slick. Kobe, watch out. Watch out, Kobe. Hey, baby. Kobe, leave that dog alone. Leave him alone. No. I think Hey, doggy. Hey, doggy. Who's getting hit first? I got hit first. Now it's your turn. Come little princess. Who's coming little princess? Okay. AJ. That's for AJ. AJ, like the little one. Y'all don't see. Hey, Joey Doggy. Who's my Joey Doggy? Who's my Joey Doggy? Who's the Joey Doggy? Hey, you. It smells like you rolled in pee. that cool life. Nobody goes to the cool life, cool life. Walking on my side life. People don't go to that cool life. People say hi, 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 hi. People go do my cool life, cool life, cool life, cool life, cool life. People gonna say hey, cool life. People gonna go to my roll life. On our little cool life. Ripping off whites in my side life. Baby. People going on to the cool life. We say home over. It's easier than Parker. Eat that. I said no to that cool life. She said my life. Where can I I love you too. I love you too. She said running on my life. Come get off my friend. He said, let's get the nuggets. Mother. I also eat tea. Chicken. What is that? There's not apple. One apple. Listen. there. And what? I deserve. Someone's shaking his butt, bro. Let me cut it. No, I got it. I know how to do it. Don't get your butt out of my brother's face. Get your butt out of my brother's face. Do you get a napkin?
Who's yelling?
We were just making a snack.
No, who's yelling? Stop. You cannot cut apples with butter knives. Give it here. Why are you yelling? Cause I heard you. No, I heard you. Why are you yelling?
I'm telling the dogs to get out of here.
Okay, well, why stop yelling like somebody's killing you? You told you stop doing that. You make it sound like somebody's actually hurting you. Stop doing that.
Sorry. Miss Hammer, it's 8:30. We have to go.
No. Look, every time it is 8:30, quit asking, baby. You do this every single day. That was the whole reason why I told you to look at the clock so you don't have to keep asking me. It's on certain circumstances when there's company over, or when you have extra dogs in the house, or when there's whatever going on. If you haven't eaten yet, or the food is being prepared, you don't have to go to your room right away. But some days we will tell you, even if you haven't had your food yet, because we're in the process of cooking, go to your room. There's a lot going on. But no, you don't have to go to your room because one, y'all are watching the dogs while the grown-ups are doing their thing.
See that? That's what I mean.
Alright, somebody asked, bro, put on the bag.
It's something like that.
What?
It's something about
You want peanut butter with yours? You want peanut butter? You get that up. What food? Yes, that's what dogs do. Right, they're dogs. They're dogs. The same shit does not apply to humans that apply to dogs, bro. Put that. It's weird. Being weird. Dogs, that's normal. Dogs do that shit all the time. You go to water bowls, like that's normal. When you go out in public, sometimes you see restaurants put out big ass bowls of water on like really hot days. And a lot of restaurants put out water and stuff for dogs, and all the dogs will drink out of that same bowl. So I don't really know what you're talking about. It's nasty. It's disgusting. Quit being bougie, right? Bougie makes me like
Who was biting the dog's neck?
they're playing. Ethan, they are playing.
Yeah, what is that?
Ethan,
Okay.
bro, stop. You know your father. Dog like your father.
Yeah, get him, Tobu. Whip his butt. Do it. When I was on the couch, don't go attacking me. I was saying, help. But you didn't hear me. I was like,
I'm not helping y'all.
The
You
dogs,
alright?
the dogs were attacking me with their face, with their mouths. They were licking me, scratching me, hugging me, kissing me. Tobu, now get him. Be on it. Get him. No, boy. Whoop his
messed up.
Daddy, where's the other dog?
Other dog. Oh,
Sammy?
yeah.
Here's the mama.
What's his name?
Sammy.
Tamer?
Sammy.
Sammy?
Alright. See if this works.
Where's Ethan?
I don't know where Ethan is. I just came in.
Ethan! Can somebody get my hoodie because I can't grab it?
Actually, wait. That's it. That's pretty much everything. Let me go to the GitHub.
You can help me buy it.
Where's it at?
Right there.
Right where?
There. And mommy?
How do I go about changing my GitHub attachment to my Twitter? Because my old Twitter, I don't know how to get into it.
I see you. I see you. Today.
I just created a new one, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah. Did you have stuff that you pushed up, like the stuff that you created on there?
Oh, no, not at all.
Yeah, just make a new one.
I just had it with attached to
Download GitHub Mobile and just make an account on there.
Here, let's do it on this one.
What'd you do?
Keep your phone. Don't forget GitHub.
Huh?
We're gonna download an app, GitHub.
I don't know how it happened, but it just sort of happened.
Ron, why are y'all sitting in the dark?
I don't know how it happened. I wasn't looking what happened, but I just saw it.
Alright, downloading.
Alright, cool.
GitHub, it looks like a little cat.
The Octocat.
Octocat?
Mm-hmm. It's an octopus cat.
Is it really?
Hmm? Look at that.
I just see a cat with a tail.
Oh, shit, it is.
How do you see it?
I don't know how to.
Let's see. Yeah, pay attention real quick. I'm gonna let it. He's gonna pass me, Peter.
Yeah, I can tell.
Sign in. Wait, if I sign in. Hold up. How do I just create? Sign in GitHub?
Oh, I guess, yeah. Yeah, let's click it. Huh. Alright, we'll just make one. Here you go.
Hang on,
So would you recommend me using my Apple email?
Yeah, your iCloud email?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's an easy one.
Alright, watch his mad typing skills. Oh, I like the way he keeps up this.
I disconnected it.
He's like, nice try. Oh, I almost messed up. One. So my GitHub's like my resume, right?
Say what?
My GitHub's my resume, right?
More or less. Is your coding resume,
Is username very important here?
Yeah, like everybody in the industry is gonna ask you what your GitHub. Wait, your username don't really matter.
Oh, it doesn't? It won't be. Okay. You got that right. Did I spell that right?
Launch?
Mm-hmm. I'm not the best at spelling. Okay. How would I go about answering this? It says, how many team members will be working with you? Just me, right?
I'm sorry, what now? What was the question?
For this one.
Just me. Student. Like, I made my GitHub account like over 13 years ago. They didn't ask me all that shit before.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Just go all the way down. How much? You don't need none of that. You can add that as needed.
Get off my couch. You know better. You don't know better, Louis. Get down.
Oh, yeah, well, he's used to actually being on couches. Because he
I
sleeps.
don't mind him being on this part. It's just the back part.
Oh, got you.
You seem calmer now. You got all that energy out, both of y'all.
So what's this?
Yeah, you can bring free everything. Just scroll down.
Okay.
Continue for free.
Skip personalization.
There we go.
If I'm not like 1,000%
Yo.
on my phone being secure, should I have all this on it?
You can
That's
figure out
fine,
if your
yeah,
phone's secure.
You're,
Couldn't you?
yeah, like you're fine for GitHub stuff. That's cool.
All right, now I want you to go to / Master Shake 0, or just search Master Shake 08.
All right, Master.
MASTA. Shake 08.
Wait. Hold on. How do I? What on? 0. Oh, okay. Nope, that wasn't right. There we go.
Go ahead and start. And if you really love me, you can sponsor me. Follow.
How do I do this? Oh, it's Cash App.
Yeah, I mean, I was lightweight kidding. If you really do want to sponsor me, go ahead. But I also have GitHub sponsors too. But hey, okay, either way. Hey, you got a lighter on you?
Bro, you got a lighter? No. I got like 20 of them at my house.
Yeah.
Literally. I'm gonna do this. Gosh, I feel like such a loser. I barely know how to understand my own stuff, bro. Scan. Here we are.
That's
Smells so good. All right, I sent you some.
Holy shit, I didn't know I had God repo creator. That's dope. Oh, for real? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Vegeta Warrior, I fucks with it.
I sent you some Bitcoin.
Thank you. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that shit.
That's how you do it.
Hell yeah.
Might as well send you something that's gonna appreciate. Not some bullshit.
Alright, some fucking fiat.
Fiat.
Exactly, bro. Alright, Mark coding lessons, boom. So what we're gonna do is gonna start this. And we're gonna fork it. So, alright, so let me explain what Git, G-I-T is. So GitHub is just like a Git focused application, but Git is a program that allows multiple people to work on projects together. Now, it's most commonly used for coding, but you can use Git for video editing, image editing, whatever. So, like, I made that Mark Coding Lessons Git repository. So, like, you have like a main trunk. Think of it like a tree branch. So you got your main trunk, right? Mm-hmm. And like, your main trunk is your working code. Like, that's the code that's working, that everybody agrees upon is working. If you need to add a feature, and you need to add a feature, and I need to add a feature, instead of always working on the same code and breaking it, we would make branches from the code. And then you work on your feature, I work on my feature, and then once we're done, it merges back into the tree trunk. So it's like the tree's growing.
Gotcha. So it doesn't all fuck up.
So it doesn't all fuck up. Get it?
Yeah, I was just about to ask, like, yo, could we, once we get really good, could we all three work together?
Yeah. So so I'm creating a fork of Mark Coding Lessons now. So when we set up on your computer, you'll be working on your version, and when I'll push up, like, I'm like, hey, I got a project for you, you know, like, because I'm gonna be giving you like homework essentially.
So I'm down for 5 or 6 hours every day. Are you, Brandon? What do you think? All right, so maybe, I don't know if I'm over exaggerating here.
What is your work schedule? Do you work from home?
No, but not down. But fuck it, I can do whatever.
I'm not gonna like I'm down like and plus their school's almost done anyway.
I work at Ashley's Furniture is what I do for real.
Actually, first is one of my clients. I do tech work for.
No way.
Yeah, I just got done doing the ones in Lexington. Tomorrow I gotta go to a hospital in E-Town to fix some of their network stuff. Can I borrow your car?
Tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow morning.
What time?
Well, E-Town's 40 minutes away, so the kids got on the school bus at 8:30. They said I can come anytime, but I'd rather just get it done in the morning. It's like
that's
it's
fine.
like an hour's worth of work. It's just swapping out a network switch.
Okay, yeah, that should be fine because I don't go to work till 12 tomorrow. So as long as you'll be back before that. Before.
I'll be back before 11.
Oh, then yeah.
Yeah.
Because I said I'd leave out of here at 11:20.
And shit, in fact, I can just leave at 8 in the morning. Just get Amber and get them on the bus, and then so I can just be back by 10. Yeah.
Because I like to maybe do shit.
Oh,
I'll look.
finish this. Create a fork. All right. Did you set up an account too?
That's all was done. Explained.
Okay, cool. You open up the app after you get all set up and shit.
Oh, I need to set my shit up on the app.
Okay.
Is that just a regular roller?
No, this is the black. I'm about to roll some of that stank here in a minute.
Guacamole.
You know what?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
God, I love the way they smell.
I love the way it smells too.
Like I tried smoking them, not a fan.
They're
They're very harsh, but I love the smell, man.
I set because I'm on my own payroll for my company, so I set up direct deposit. It goes to my Cash App, and 10% of my direct deposit goes to Bitcoin every time I get paid. So
I've been just trying to shove every penny I have. I'm trying to be brokey. Fiat broke. Crypto rich. Trying. 10%, that's pretty fucking solid.
yeah, I actually just cashed out not that long ago.
Oh, all your Bitcoin?
Yeah, one of my clients is running hella late on payment, so I had to cash out to pay my payroll. Okay, up 0.5% today. Let's go.
I'm still down. I'm at 28,900.
I'm up since my last what's it called, cash out. I'm up because dude, my last cash out I was up like 30, 40 bands.
Yo.
Yeah, so and then I just recently started aggregating again. So
This is what I've just been slowly just averaging like every penny I can.
Yep.
Damn.
And then I also do the Cash App savings too. And then at the end of the month, I take my rollover savings and dump it into Bitcoin.
Did you just
For real?
take your leg out?
Yeah.
Cash App saving?
Yeah. So do like this.
I didn't know about this.
Do like that. And do roundups. Oh, you're doing the best change into
Bitcoin.
Into Bitcoin. Okay.
Is that wild? I'm like, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin. Okay.
You had to do it that way. So I have a
Bigger leverage.
bigger leverage. Yeah.
This is the stocks I own.
I have a trust, and I do all my shit through my trust on the stock shit. Well, I switched and started just doing T-bills. Been buying
Treasury bills?
Yeah.
I was just reading about. I need to sign
Yeah.
up this shit before I forget real quick.
Yeah, go ahead and do the T. Right now with all the shit going on with bricks, do the T-bills. Because remember, T-bills, you get your money back in 4 weeks.
Really?
Yeah. So, yeah, do the T-bills, and then at the end of the year, because you don't get taxed on the T-bills, in December, take all your T-bill money and dump it into Bitcoin.
Yeah, hold up. We about to talk about that here in just a second. Hold on. How did I do this? Hold up. So we got question mark, boom, bam.
was only on the trash. I went to
638.
Okay. Louis the 16th.
That's you, aren't it?
I like how you knew about that.
Ready? Ready?
I see that over there. That's why I call him King Louis.
Okay.
I have no idea about who the guy actually was.
What the fucking head?
I put their heads.
Let's see. Add a device to do a quick ask sign without having to search. Anything else I should do?
Go to your repositories. All right, cool. Oh, you're there. I'll
Mark coding lessons. Okay.
and I'll go into
Now I gotta get on this call, but what I'm gonna do tonight is I'm gonna push up the stuff that we're gonna get done tomorrow, and then what my hope. So my hope is after this first week, you know, I'm gonna have y'all be able to write a couple things on your own, and then we'll start. Since y'all both like in the
Our own exchange or something. Our own video game app or actual game. I don't know, something.
yeah.
I kind of want to make the Cardinal system from Sword Art Online, but for crypto version.
Yeah.
Well, you
Or
don't
some-
get stuck inside of it.
Well, not, but minus the dying part. Minus the dying part. Turns out that just doesn't sell.
Yeah. Shit. Oh shit! I totally forgot about the gummies. What's the dosage on these?
Mm-hmm.
What's the dosage on them?
250 milligrams a pop.
I don't like them.
Oh, I know you don't, because you go to fucking.
Nah, man, I don't want you getting me
Amber.
like so.
Just be careful. Are we gonna talk any more tonight? Because in an hour and a half from now, I'm gonna be fucking.
Oh wow, we're done to that. Oh man, those are. Amber.
Come get a gummy.
What?
Come get a gummy.
Okay.
You bring that ass now.
Who you talking to?
Have one of these. You remember how James looked like, bro?
your edible tolerance and your wound tolerance are completely different.
Are they?
Good.
I didn't know that.
Completely separate.
No wonder he was blessed as hell, because he don't need edibles.
Yeah, cause like I know
I believe.
when I used to live in Cali, one of my homeboys, all he did was edibles. He didn't really smoke, and I dabbed with him the first time, and like he was on the floor.
Dude was 99!
You want to smoke? Like, I can roll one real quick.
I kind of want to smoke a little. Would you like to have a smoke, Brennan?
I never gonna get a job if I do that. No.
You're never gonna get a job. You
Not
have
bad.
actually.
Trying to get to
I gave you the application link to Ashley's. We don't drug test. We say we drug test, but we don't.
MOBISNACKS.
MOI.
MOBI, like mobile snack, MOB snacks.
All right.
Assault.
Whatever.
Hold up, it. Just it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Now.
It's done. Done.
But we pay our drivers like not only you have the base fee you get tips, but we get percentages of the orders.
Okay, let me
Like,
ask you
order-
something.
you
How
know,
much
like-
would he? How much would we be making roughly?
I mean, my top driver was like with tips and everything. He was going at like 800 to a band for yeah
For what?
a week.
Oh.
But like I said, bro, like these orders, some of these orders be like $500. It's gourmet orders, and you're getting percentage.
Ooh, I like that.
And like I'm the only person on the team. It's like I don't have a whole. I wrote the whole app. I wrote everything. I don't gotta pay a whole bunch of people, so I can afford to, give y'all the money.
Oh, let's
And y'all
go.
Bowie snacks.
The re-raise you know why I work at Ashley's right now? Because I got fired from DoorDash.
You get fired for DoorDash. They wouldn't let me do DoorDash.
Yeah.
You know why? It's because I had 2 accounts. I was trying to bust my ass. My other account, I had like 3,000 plus deliveries on. And I was like, I really want to get the $900 bonus. It would help me pay all my bills. So I bought another phone, sent that, got to 250 something deliveries. And then they're like, hey, you can't have 2 accounts. it's against our terms of service. I'm like, it is? That's cool. Can I just use this? And,
I don't like
and they
using
just
the app.
they just straight banned both of them, and I was like, I gotta get another job
So
now.
I was using the app, and
It freezes nonstop.
well, not just that. It's like they say that, all right, you breached contract violations. This person ate the food.
I hate when
She told me when the camera doesn't work on the app, just use the actual phone camera.
yeah.
I didn't think about that.
Yeah, I mean, I've learned that lesson.
Kobe, you have a laugh. It's your buddy.
Ow! God damn it!
I'm gonna say that was calm.